Today I have another unboxing video from PLM. It is going to be for oil pressure switch, oil temperature sensor. This is my old sandwich plate. It's done pretty good, but it doesn't seat in there properly. And this one here actually came out and it started to leak oil from there. Even though it has dual rings, but this goes where the oil filter is at, and we're just going to upgrade this to something else. And like I said, this is from PLM. We got it in this nice little black package here. We'll open it, and there we have it. This is going to connect into the oil pressure switch, and they provided some Teflon, which is nice. And here it is. So there is a total of 4 holes. Your sensor, my 2 here, and it comes with caps. And this goes into the oil pressure switch location. Nice. Hopefully we have no more leaks. This looks better. Looks like it's going to create a good seal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.